Join me as I try out 3 different helmets to see which one truly boosts my motovlogging experience the most. Choosing the right helmet for motovlogging is crucial. It's not just about safety, but also about getting the best audio quality possible. You want to make sure your viewers can hear you crystal clear without any distractions. When it comes to motovlogging, we all face similar challenges. One of the biggest ones is dealing with wind noise. It's frustrating when you're trying to record a commentary, but all your audience can hear is the rushing wind in the background. Another common issue is finding a helmet that's comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. You don't want to be adjusting your helmet every 5 minutes, especially when you're navigating through heavy traffic. Then there's the problem of camera placement. You want to make sure your camera is securely mounted, but you also don't want it to obstruct your view. And let's not forget about the heat and humidity buildup inside the helmet, which can be unbearable during those long rides. Another challenge we face is finding a helmet that's both safe and stylish. Let's face it, we want to look good while riding, but we also want to make sure we're protected in case of an accident. Some helmets compromise on safety features in order to look cooler, while others prioritize protection over aesthetics. As motovloggers, we need to find a helmet that strikes the perfect balance between style and safety. Full-face helmets are popular among motovloggers because they offer excellent protection and can reduce wind noise significantly. However, they can be quite heavy and may cause fogging issues, especially during humid weather conditions. Modular helmets, on the other hand, offer more flexibility and can be converted into open-face helmets, but they may not provide the same level of protection. Open-face helmets offer great ventilation and are often more comfortable, but they leave your face exposed to the elements. When it comes to choosing a helmet for motovlogging, there are a few key features to look out for. Firstly, you want a helmet with a good noise-canceling system, such as a helmet with built-in microphones or active noise control. This will help reduce wind noise and ensure your commentary is crisp and clear. Secondly, you want a helmet with a comfortable and secure fit, so you can focus on your riding without distractions. Thirdly, you want a helmet that's compatible with camera mounts, so you can capture all the action without any hassle. Some helmets come with additional features like Bluetooth connectivity, GPS, and even augmented reality displays. While these features can be useful, they may not be essential for motovlogging. What's more important is finding a helmet that meets your basic needs and provides a great riding experience. When choosing a helmet, don't just focus on the features. Think about how it will perform in real-world riding conditions. In terms of noise-canceling technology, some helmets have advanced features like adaptive noise control, which can adjust to different riding conditions. Others have more basic systems that simply block out wind noise. As motovloggers, we need to find a helmet that can strike the perfect balance between noise reduction and audio quality. In summary, choosing the right helmet for motovlogging is crucial for both safety and audio quality. By understanding the common challenges we face and exploring different types of helmets, we can make an informed decision that meets our needs and enhances our overall riding experience. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite helmet for motovlogging? Share it with me in the comments below. And if you want more motovlogging tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos. Super at Quachmoto.